Thinking about starting a streaming career but cannot decide between Kick, Twitch, or YouTube? Each platform has its own strength, and choosing the right one can make a big difference. Here's what you need to know in under 3 minutes. Introduction. Kick, Twitch, and YouTube are the biggest streaming platforms today, but they target different types of creators. Let's compare them based on audience, monetization, discoverability, and features to help you pick the best one. Audience and growth. Twitch is still the biggest platform dedicated to live streaming, especially for gaming. It has a large active community, but competition is intense. YouTube has the advantage of billions of monthly users. Your live streams can continue getting views as regular videos, making it easier to grow over time. Kick is much smaller but growing quickly. Since there are few streamers, it's often easier for new creators to stand out. Monetization. This is where Kick stands out. Kick offers one of the best subscription revenue splits in the industry, allowing creators to keep about 95% of subscription income. Twitch typically offers a 50-50 split for most creators, although some large partners receive better deals. YouTube earns creators money through ads, memberships, super chats, and shorts, giving multiple ways to generate income if you already have an audience. Discoverability. YouTube wins here. Its recommendation algorithm can promote your streams long after they end through search and suggested videos. Twitch mainly relies on viewers browsing live categories, making it harder for smaller creators to get discovered. Kick's lower competition helps new streamers get noticed, but its overall audience is still much smaller than YouTube or Twitch. Features and community. Twitch offers the most mature streaming experience with extensions, raids, channel points, and a strong live chat culture. YouTube integrates live streaming with regular videos, shorts, and community posts, making it ideal for creators producing multiple content types. Kick has a simple interface and streamer friendly policies, but still lacks some advanced features available on Twitch. Final verdict. Choose Twitch if you want to join the largest live streaming community. Choose YouTube if you plan to create videos alongside live streams and want the best long term discoverability. Choose Kick if maximizing subscription revenue and growing in a less crowded platform are your top priorities. If this comparison helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and let us know down below in the comments which platform would you stream on and why. Thanks for watching and goodbye.